children? How are you all? Hope all are good. Yes, I know you enjoyed the 2 days, no? Weekend, Saturday and Sunday? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. Then what else? How you spend your time? Watching the TV? Watching mobile? Going outside? Anyhow, you enjoyed your Saturday and Sunday. Alva makla? Saturday, Sunday, you enjoyed a lot. You didn't do the homework. You didn't test your books. Happy there is no online class for you. Yes, no? Okay. Yes. Okay, children. Now, as usual, today is our first day of this week. Today is Monday. The date is 23. Okay. Now, we will start our class in this week, the first class, with a fresh mood. As usual, you have to learn the Little Ellie prayer. You know, no? Little Ellie, little Ellie, little Ellie is my school. Oh, I love it, and you love it too. That prayer you have to learn, children. And you have to practice the prayer, because then once the school is open, you need to say the prayer here. With that, you have to learn that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವ ಜಂತುಗಳನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಗುರುದೇವೋ, ಗುರುದೇವ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಆ ಥರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆ. ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿದು ಯಾವುದು? ಪೂಜಾಯ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರಾಯ ಸತ್ಯಧರ್ಮ ವ್ರತಾಯ ಚ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ನ ವೋಕಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಜ್ಯೋತಿನ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಯೋಗ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸು ನಮಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಿದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳು. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್. Now we will move to our class. The first one is your English class. English. Yesterday we learned something about long oval family of O, that is OW. What you learn in the OW? Some words like bow, toe, then so, then what else? Bowl, towel, then row. Okay, these all are some words of OW family. Yesterday I taught you the words of this family OW. What are those? Bowl, bow, toe, towel, row, so. Okay, with that we will make some sentences. Okay. Traffic, police, then the police, you have to call for a traffic police number. They will come and they will tow the car. Second is eat bowl full of rice. Okay, you have to eat bowl full of rice. You can eat a bowl full of rice. Okay, that is bowl. Like this, you can make so many sentences using the OW family. Okay, we will refer the phonic discovery phonic book. Okay, discovery phonic book. Discover phonic book. Page number 20 and 21. What they are given there? Discover phonic long vowels in that. In the page number 20, they are given OW has the long O sound. Below they are given also the last line. This I am reading. Okay, OW as a long O sound. O. Say the sound of the letter O by its name. The phonic sound of O is O, like that. The W is silent. When we pronounce the bowl, okay, the only we can hear the O sound, not the L sound. This is bo, to, so. The W is silent. Okay, some words I am going to read. Bo, bowl, lo, mo, so, ro, and the to. What they given sentences in the page number 21? Dad had to tow his jeep. Dad had to tow his jeep. The bowl is not in a row. The bowl is not in a row. Recap. Read and circle the correct picture. A tot in a bowl. A tot in a bowl. You need to read and circle the correct picture. Okay. This is Discover Phonic Book, page number 20 and 21. Okay. You understood now, children? This is long vowel O. Now we will move to some sight word. Sight word. Okay, sight words. Till now, what have you learned? The sight words of a pen, a cat, a man, a rat. Like that you learned. The second one is water. Go. Okay, the second sight word was go. I go to school. I go to sleep. I go to bed. I go to temple. I go to park to play. I go to market to purchase. I go to my native. I go to take bath. I go to my cousin's house. That is go. The third one is up. You learned now up. Up in the sense mele. Up in the sense mele. Up in the sky. The birds flying up in the sky. The monkey is up on the tree. The monkey is up on the tree. Next, we need to climb up. So we need to climb up using the ladder. Then what else in the up? You learned some sentence now. I told you to write your own sentence. The sun is up in the sky. The moon is up in the sky. Then what else? Stand up, sit up. Like that you learned no? That is up. Today you are going to learn a new word, that is you. You means Nino. What is the meaning of you? Nino. Alright. like to eat ice cream? Okay, do you like to eat ice cream? Most of the time we will use you for the questions. Okay, questions. Okay. Where do you live? अथवा stay. Where do you stay? Where do you live? How old you are? See, we will use the you in all the cases of questions mark. Okay, this is the new sight word. You means Kannada meaning neenu. Do you like to eat ice cream? ನಿಮಗೆ ice cream ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, where do you live? ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ where you are staying. How old you are? ನಿಮಗೀಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು? That is called a you. You means the singular form of the person. Okay, you andre neenu. Okay children, you all understood now? The sight word, the new sight word is you. Do you like to eat ice cream? Always we will use most of the time in the questions. Okay, yes, today's homework is sight word you. Okay, 4 lines book, write 5 sentences using the sight word you. Next, the second homework is read that. Discover phonic book. Page number 20 and 21. Okay, discover phonic book, page number 20 and 21. You have to read and complete that. It is book 4. Okay, book 4. Next is homework is phonic activity book, page number 23. Okay, phonic activity book, page number 23. You need to complete. What they have given? They have given OW words. Please by heart and then write for it 2 times. This is the homework for your English. Okay, now we are moving to the second class is our maths. Okay, in the maths class we are learning about 1 to 1 matching. What is 1 to 1 matching? This is somewhat like a set or a pair. It is not a pair, it is not a set, somewhat. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರನೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ somewhat to the set. For example, I will draw one rectangle. You need to match the rectangle with the rectangle only. If you draw one flower, you need to match the flower only. This is called one-to-one matching. Where you will get this one? See, if you have a leaf, okay, can you tell me one-to-one matching? Yes? Yes, you can match from ear to ear or from ear to ear. Only one matching you have to do. See, you can match from ear to ear. If there is extra leaf, you can't match it. Only one to one. One to one. You can do the matching. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಂದರೆ see, I show you with the examples of two chalk pieces and two pencils. This can match with the chalk piece only. This can match with the pencil only. Okay, you can't match the pencil with the scale. You can't match like this. This is the wrong. You can match the pencil with the pencil only. Okay, with that too with only one pencil. You can't match this pencil with this. Okay, you can't match this pencil with this. Only this pencil can be matched with this pencil. Only this. This is the separate. Okay, one to one matching. Okay, I show you with some other example like I am drawing some trees. I am drawing some leaves here. I have drawn some trees and leaf. How you do the matching? Shall I see? How can we do the matching? See, one tree to one leaf. 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 Okay? These are trees. Remaining trees leaves are extra. There is no matching for the tree. This is called one-to-one matching. This is nothing but a set, like a pair. Three cannot be paired, only the two can be paired. That is one-to-one matching. You understood, no children? Yes. The homework is Maths workbook. Page number, okay, 17. What they given there? Page number 17. Maths. Okay, they given one-to-one matching. Give each ant an anthill. There are so many ants are there. You can take any one ant to a one hill. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಂಟ್ ಮನೆನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮನೆ. ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಹಿಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ homework. Okay, like this it will be there. You need to complete this one. This is page number 17. Okay, next is our language class. Okay, next is our language class. That is, first we are going to Hindi. And now what and all we learn? A, E, U, Ru, E, O, Ow. We learned no till here a, anar, a, e, ik, ina, ik, ullu, un, ru, rishi, ek, enak. O, what is O? Old. Ow, aurat. Okay. Now we are going to a new thing, that is ow, You had to write one straight line and another one straight line and sleeping line in the above. That is angur. ಅಂಗೂರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅಂಗೂರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It's nothing but a grapes. Okay? Angur. This is the last vyanjan of the Hindi. Okay? A, I, U, Ru, E, O, Ow, that is angur. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಕ್ಷರ ತರ ಆಹಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay? ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಅಂಗೂರ್. Okay? Now homework is okay, you have to keep one 2 lines book for this. Okay? Take one 2 lines book and you make a break. ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 2 lines book ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದರ ಹೊಸ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೇಜಸ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ 2 lines book. Right? 2 lines book. Right? In 2 lines book. To 2 times. Okay, again I am telling, purchase one 2 lines book and make it a part, one for Kannada and one for Hindi. In that you have to write, put today's date, Monday, and you have to write 2 lines book to 2 times, and also you need to complete pages for letter. Okay, complete pages for letter in the practice book. In the practice book. Okay. What you have to do homework is write in 2 lines book to 2 times and complete the pages for letter for in the practice book. Okay? This is your Hindi. Now we are moving to Kannada. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ? I, U, Ru, E, ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಆ ಆನೆ, ಈ ಇಲಿ, ಈ ಈಶ, ಉ ಉಡುಗೊರೆ, ಊ ಊಟ, ರು ಋಷಿ, ಎ ಎಲೆ, ಎ ಏಣಿ, ಐ ಐವರು, ಐದು, ಓ ಒಂಟೆ, ಓ ಓದು ಓಟ, ಔ ಔಷಧಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಗಿ. ಅಂಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಂಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಶರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಅಂಗಿ. ಅಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಗಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಜೂರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಜೂರ. ಅಂಜೂರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫಿಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಜೂರ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಹಾ. The next letter is aha. ಆಹಾಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಗಿ ಅಂಜೂರ, ಆಹಾಗೆ ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, the homework is as usual 2 lines book, write auto aha 2 times ಮತ್ತೆ complete pages and aha in Kannada practice book. Okay, complete pages aha in Kannada practice book. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 lines book ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, 2 lines book ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೀತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ ಅಹಾವರೆಗೆ 2 times ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾ ಪೇಜಸ್ ನ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಓಕೆ, ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ okay, your mind okay, my art craft book. What is that they are given in the okay page 22. Pattern colorings. Observe the picture carefully and color it with crayons in the patterns they are given. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22 you need to complete. Observe the picture carefully and color it with crayons in the pattern as shown. This is for today's class. Okay children, enjoy your day. Please complete all your homework day to day basis. Take care. Bye.